Hi, Vegas and Stilettos here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I like to unbox things, all sorts of things. I also like to vlog vacations, and I vlog and review food all over the world, really. Today I have for you an unboxing, and it is Basic Man. It's actually going to be kind of like a Basic Man versus Basic Man, just because I got one for my son and I got one for my husband. And I found this subscription. I hope I'm saying this right. Jess Gus. I'll put it on the screen just so you guys have the correct spelling, but she unboxes here on YouTube as well, and she does a lot of boxes that I don't do. So if you want to give her a, if you want to go check her out, then go for it. First here, let me do a little disclaimer. Next month is my birthday month, and so I won't be able to upload as often as I have been doing. I'll still have the same amount of videos up. I might have to do a couple in a day or whatnot, just because next month is super busy. Also, I have a giveaway going on. I will link that down below, and I also have an announcement for a future giveaway, and I will also link that down below. And just super quick, if you guys are wondering what I'm wearing on my face today. So let's see. These do not have names, but they are the Violet Voss Fun Size palettes. And so I have this color here all over the lid. And then I have this color. I have this color in my crease. And I have this green on my inner lid. And then from the Riviera palette, I have this color here, kind of, what's it called? The Bahamas. I have that kind of just darkening the outer corner. And then I have seashells on the outer lid. So that's kind of what I have going on my eyes today. I don't know if you guys can see that well or not. For my mascara, I am using Ico, and I got this in an Ipsy, and I absolutely just love it. And then for my highlight today, I'm wearing my typical blush. I didn't bring it over here, the, is it Peach Beach? Too Faced Peach Beach. But for my highlight, I am using Becca in the color Prismatic Amethyst. And it looks like that in the pan. So I don't know, you can see a little bit of a glow going on there. And then on my lips, I am just wearing a Lorac Pro, and it just says it's in nude pink or rose petal. It says nude pink and then it's / rose petal, and that's what that looks like. So that's what I am wearing today. Okay, let's get into Basic Man. So this subscription is $19.99, and in it you're supposed to get like an undershirt, t-shirt, a pair of socks, and a pair of underwear. And this is what the bag looks like. And this one is for Vlad, which is my son. And then this one is for John, which is my husband. I don't know if I have a code. If I do, I'll link it down below, but if I don't, I'm not sure. I haven't actually looked since. But if not, Jess has a code, and if you sign up using her link, you get 50% off. So I got each of these bags for $9.95 or $9.99. One of those two. All right, so let's open this up and see what these things look like. So first I'm gonna jump into my husband's bag. And everything comes really nicely packaged like this. And I think I just heard the mailman. Wonder if I have any boxes today. Let's see, so I don't know, it feels really nice. the material feels really nice, and it's just a gray if you can't see that. It is a kind of a dreary day here in Ohio again on a Friday, so I'm using that blinding light. But it's cool because, oh, yep, there goes my husband down to the mailbox. But it has like a destroy by date, so I don't know if you can see that, but it basically tells you how long the shirt is good for, so that is kind of cool. And let's see, there is that, and then he got, ooh, these are nice socks. Some gray and navy blue, potentially black. I am colorblind, so I'm not sure. Maybe you can answer that question for me. But those are really nicely done. And then the underwear are also packaged separately. And let's get in here. Ooh, those are nice. Those are really nice and soft. They have this nice band around the top. Huh, that's really super nice. All right, let's dig into Vlad's bag and see if his stuff is different or the same. I'm really curious to know. Urgh. Okay, so I'm seeing the same thing. So maybe every month it's the same theme, maybe? Because everything is exactly the same. So he's got the socks here, which are really nice, and that's gonna super suck when I'm doing laundry because I won't be able to tell whose is whose because their feet are the same size. So that sucks for me. But at least in the shirt and underwear I'll be able to tell the difference because one is a large and one is a medium. But we'll just get through this real quick. So it's basically the same thing. It's the same shirt, the same type of shirt, and it has the same thing on the inside, destroy by, and then the undies, which are the same, just smaller, and they are blue. So that is Basic Man for my husband and my son, and thanks again, Jess. I like this subscription. I think the boys will too. So have a great day. Bye.